Knicks versus Pacers? Nangangamoy upset. Mukhang Indiana to. Knicks. Sa opensa, dikit lang naman ng Indiana at New York. But, pag dikitan ng laban, lamang ang Knicks dito. The two-man game of Jalen Brunson and Karl Anthony Towns is one of the toughest to defend, lalo pag endgame. Kaya lang, the Pacers are setting the pace in effective field goal shooting in playoff history with 58%. They are also 7th in pace, ang Knicks 26. So with a high-octane offense, pressure defense, and a deep rotation, mukhang makukulangan sa hangin ng New York dito. Kaya lang, pinakamababa rin ang bench scoring ng Knicks with 21 points a game. Tapos, the Pacers, they have 7 players who score 10 or more. And they also have the defensive tools to limit New York's top guns. Pacers in 6 ako dito. Kayo?